how to host your very first Zoom meeting step by step. So in here, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that Zoom Workplace is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application, and in here, if you do not have your account and if you just want to join somebody else's meeting, you can tap on join meeting and do that, right? But if you do want to host your own meeting, then you'll need to create yourself an account. If you do not have your account yet, tap on sign up and create yourself one. If you already have an account, tap on sign in, and in here all you need to do is simply add in the credentials of your account. Then you can simply tap on next, simply type down the password and simply log into your account just like this. So after signing into your account, in order to host your first meeting, tap on the option meet right here. So after doing that, you have to now select whether you want your video to be on or the participant's video to be on or off. You can select that, and in here you can also use your personal meeting ID, and you can tap on start a meeting. Then after, you'll be able to see this particular option where if you want your video to be turned off, you can again do that. And in here, if you want your mic to be turned off, you can also do that. And in here, simply tap on start. So after doing that, here you can see it has now been connecting, and we have now successfully hosted our first Zoom meeting, right? So if you want participants to join your meeting, you would need to share that ID that you previously had, or you can even share your link, right? Simply tap on more, and in here what are we going to do is simply tap on settings right here. And in here, what are we going to do is tap on meeting info, and in there you'll be able to see your personal meetings room, right? So in here you can simply copy that link and simply share it to all of the participants, or you can share these information through which your participant will be able to add in your meeting ID and the password and join into your account. So there's a lot of things that you can do. If you want to view the participant, again tap on more and tap on participants, and in here you'll be able to see all of your participants. You can mute them or unmute them however you want. As a host, if you tap on chats, you can now select you can now write down what type of chat you want in this meeting. If you tap on this plus icon, you'll be able to even upload files and send GIFs, photos, and everything. And just like this, you'll be able to host your first Zoom meeting. And that is it.